Pros and cons of menstrual cups. A menstrual cup is a small funnel shaped flexible cup typically made of high quality medical grade silicone or latex rubber that you wear inside the vagina to collect the menstrual blood during your period. Menstrual cups come with the capability to hold more blood than other forms of sanitary products, and depending on how heavy your menstrual flow is, you can leave the menstrual cup in place for up to 12 hours. When it's time to take it out, you empty it, wash it off, and insert it again. Menstrual cup is usually available in three different sizes: small, medium, and large. You will have to choose or find a size according to your needs. Menstrual cups come with the following benefits. They are flexible, durable, and reusable, hence becoming more and more popular, especially in Western countries. With proper care, they can be used again and again for years. However, doctors recommend replacing your cup every year to reduce the risk of irritation or infection from its material. Being reusable and durable, they help you save a lot of money. Menstrual cups are safe, affordable, and are highly cost effective. Be it tampons or sanitary napkins, you have to buy them each and every month. Menstrual cups are a one time investment. Once you buy a reusable menstrual cup, you don't have to buy another. Hence, you save a lot of money. They are more comfortable, convenient, and are really good for overnight protection. If a menstrual cup has been inserted properly, you can't feel them, and there are fewer chances of leakage as compared to pads and tampons. They can be worn for up to 12 hours without having to change them or worrying about leakage. They are available in different colors, styles, and shapes to suit individual preference and needs. They give you more flexibility of movement. You can wear them with anything and they should feel comfortable and not leak or spill, making them perfect option for travel, exercise, heavy sports or swimming. Menstrual cups have a greater fluid holding capacity, hence they are great choices for people with heavy periods. They don't disturb your vaginal pH. Unlike other feminine hygiene products that absorb blood, menstrual cups collect your period blood. Cups tend not to cause vaginal dryness. This makes them safer and reduces your risk of getting a bacterial infection such as toxic shock syndrome. With menstrual cups, you are protected from having an itchy period with rashes. They generally result in less period smell. One of the major advantages of using a menstrual cup is that they are eco friendly. They are reusable and last for a long time, which automatically cut down on the waste you generate. They are worn internally and you don't have to worry about them being visible. Using menstrual cups makes you feel cleaner, hence, most women choose cups over other options because they create less mess. It's difficult to understand how much blood you are losing with a pad or tampon. Instead, with a menstrual cup, you will know exactly how much blood you are losing because you will know the cup's full capacity. Although the advantages are plenty, there are still a few menstrual cup side effects and disadvantages that you must keep in mind before switching to a cup. They are worn internally, so they can be messy and tricky to insert. Many women are still showing discomfort to use the menstrual cups. Inserting something in the vagina can be uncomfortable or difficult for some women, especially when trying for the first time. It can take some time to learn how to use one properly. Sometimes you may find it difficult to insert the menstrual cup inside your vagina, or you may not be able to remove it correctly, which can cause pain and discomfort. A menstrual cup can also feel uncomfortable if a person does not insert it properly or if they are using the wrong size. Menstrual cups come in different sizes and every woman may need a different size, so finding the right fit may get difficult. To find your right fit, you may have to try out different brands and cup sizes first. This can be uncomfortable until you find the right size. Removing and emptying the cup can be a little difficult and messy. You need to be really very careful when removing the menstrual cup. You might get a little blood on your hands when you take the cup out to empty and clean it. You can even spill the cup, which can create a mess. In addition, a person with a very heavy flow may experience some leaks. And if you are squeamish about your blood, this might not be the product for you as it requires washing after each use. If you wear an intrauterine device, the cup can pull on the string and dislodge it. The real risks of wearing a menstrual cup with an IUD in place is the accidental pulling of the IUD strings that hang out of the cervix and into the vaginal canal. When removing your cup, always pinch the base of the cup and keep it pinched while removing. Lower cervix with longer strings could pose an issue. Be aware of your IUD strings when you remove your cup. If you feel that the strings are too long and could possibly be pinched and grabbed while removing your cup, ask your gynecologist to trim them to help prevent that. If you think you would like to use a cup, just remember to always be aware of your strings. Menstrual cup can cause vaginal discomfort, infections, and irritation. If the menstrual cup is not cleaned properly after every use, it can cause irritation and infection in your vagina. It may cause allergic reactions, vaginal wounds, and urinary tract infections. It can be really uncomfortable when you insert a cup without any lubrication. If you have very little lubrication in your vagina when inserting the cup, it can increase friction and irritate your vagina. Also, the stem can sometimes cause chafing from sticking out, which is why some women prefer to cut the stem. In some women, the rubber and silicone material can cause allergic reactions, which can be very painful and discomforting. Some cups contain latex, so be sure to read the label if you have a latex allergy. Toxic shock syndrome from menstrual cups is possible when not used as directed. Toxic shock syndrome is extremely rare when using menstrual cups. Using the cup as intended and emptying and washing it frequently can help reduce the risk of infections. It can be quite difficult to properly clean your cup when you are on the move. Or what if your cup falls in the toilet of a public restroom? Always be prepared. Having an extra cup with you is one of the best methods. They are not 100% leak proof. Since a cup is not visible during usage, it's hard to tell whether you need to change it or not. If you don't realize that your cup is overfilled, it may result in a stain. They are not suitable for women with cervical or vaginal prolapse. One of the major menstrual cup dangers is accidentally forgetting you're wearing one. Menstrual cups are so comfortable so they can easily be forgotten and left for days or weeks. If you forget to remove yours on time, please check in with your healthcare provider. It's advisable to set a reminder on your phone to take it out at the end of the day. 12 hours is a long time, but if you are forgetful by nature, you may want to set alarms on your phone for morning and night to check your cup. Menstrual cups are safe to use as long as a person follows the safety guidelines. Always read the instructions on the packaging and become familiar with the cup before trying it for the first time. Although there are several advantages, women still prefer to use sanitary napkins for comfort. If you would like to have a pad or tampon free periods and have concerns about overflowing or leaking, consider trying the innovative menstrual cup. Each sanitary product has its pros and cons. It's always recommended that choose cups made of high quality materials. Speak to the expert, weigh the pros and cons, and then choose what is best for you. If you like this video, please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Give it a like and click on the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.